Hello, everybody. So today we're going to be looking at the Auto Missed Call Text Back Go High Level Workflow, and we're going to have a talk on this. Now, this is a big one for most businesses because a lot of businesses struggle to get that call back in time when that lead comes in. That is the biggest problem and the biggest way most medical spas, aesthetic practices in general lose thousands of dollars every year just because they're not able to get that call and get that text back in time. So this is where this missed call text back workflow actually goes to help and solve that particular issue. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick walkthrough on this workflow itself. We're going to take a look at it. First, how it starts is we have a trigger that comes in, okay? So an incoming call comes in and maybe your receptionist is busy, maybe she's in the bathroom, maybe she's talking with some other client, maybe that client and her are having a conversation, whatever it is, that call is not able to be answered, and that is potential lead right there that is going to look elsewhere because they have no connection to your business yet. So they don't care. They're going to go somewhere else. And if you don't get back to them in time, that lead is gone cold. So that is where this missed call text back comes in. When that trigger comes in, what's going to happen is there's going to be a slight delay that we have set up here. And it's going to be an SMS message that sends after maybe 30 seconds or so. And this is going to be sent to that particular lead. Now, before it gets sent to that particular lead, there are a few other actions in this workflow that are actually taking place. So we're assigning it to a user, okay? So think of your Go High Level system right now, your interface. You probably have an employee that's also working with it, doing the administration stuff. Maybe it's you, whatever it is. Regardless, we're going to assign to that user that particular lead, and that particular lead is going to be followed up from that particular user. We're going to tag that particular lead that came in as a missed call. So all your contacts that are missed calls will have that lead. All your contacts that are missed calls will have that tag missed call next to them. The next action is the SMS to the lead. So this is where the actual work is being done, and you don't have to do any of it. It's just all being done automatically, as you can see in this workflow. Hey there, sorry we missed your call, how can we help? And it's saying location name just to reference your actual business itself, okay? So just very straightforward there. And then we have the push notification to that assigned user. So immediately also what's happening within the Go High Level system is you're sending a notification to your administration team, maybe it's to you yourself within Go High Level, to be notified that you have a missed call from this particular contact. Please reach out to them before that lead goes cold. And if you don't reach out within that first hour or so, that's when that coldness really starts to get cold. It's going to become a frost, right? So you don't want that to happen. You want to reach out as quick as possible, and you also don't have the time for that. Neither does your administration team, and that's where this Go High Level workflow comes in. This is one of the most asked for workflows and automations in Go High Level. And we have the internal notification as well, and that's also letting us know that this is a missed call from that contact and that particular contact name. So again, lots of information for you as an administrator to receive so that you can take that information and do whatever you want with it. But the idea here is that we're getting to that lead very quickly. Now, if you'd like something like this built for your own business, for your medical spa, your dermatology clinic, your aesthetic practice, whatever it may be, maybe you're an HVAC, whatever it is, let me know. I'd love to work with you. We can have a quick chat and we can go from there, and we can set this up because I know this can be very time consuming, and we can see how it goes. You can reach out to me on the YouTube comments, or you could also reach out to me in Upwork. So if you have Upwork, you can look at the description and you can reach out to me there, or also on my website, mxview.com. There's multiple ways to reach a hold of me. You can also give me a call. So actually, if you go on my website, maybe I'll answer. So you can give me a call and we'll go from there and we'll have a great conversation, okay? So you can give me a call. You can also give me a call. So if you go on my website, you will see my number on there and you can reach out and I'll give you an answer. Anyways, that is it for tonight. I'm going to go ahead and pause. Anyways, that is it for this video. Feel free to leave a like and a comment and subscribe for more information. Subscribe for more information.